What are the different types of malware analysis? Majorly, there are two types of malware analysis: static analysis and dynamic analysis. Both the methods accomplish the same goal of understanding how malware works. Static analysis is also called code analysis, and dynamic analysis is called behavior analysis. The main difference is static analysis is done without running or executing the malware. But in dynamic malware analysis, we execute the malware in a controlled environment to study its behavior. Rephrasing the same, static analysis is all about weaving the code and walking through it instruction by instruction. And dynamic malware analysis is studying how the malware behaves when executed. Analysis can further be divided into basic static analysis and advanced static analysis. And dynamic analysis can be broken down into basic dynamic analysis, advanced dynamic analysis, and automated dynamic analysis. Advanced static and advanced dynamic malware analysis are out of scope and not covered in this course of absolute basic concepts of malware analysis.